Hello everyone, welcome back to another free chat GPT and free AI tutorial. In this one, I'm going to show you, if you're a digital marketer or a content marketer or an editor or a writer, how to come up with ideas and create huge numbers of content posts for content marketing. If you have to create blog posts and you got to come up with ideas and write and you don't have time to do it, I'm going to show you how to use AI to do it and do it very, very well. It's not the entire solution, but it's a big part. Let me show you, for example, here in this one here, I've got I went through a process and then I finally got it down to an essay. So here it is, keyword research for small businesses. And the essay reads amazing. Like, this blog post reads really, really, really well. I believe it's 2,000 words long, maybe a little more. And I didn't even touch it. Like, I haven't even made any changes to it. So let me show you the process. The first process is, okay, this is the plagiarism checker, pardon me. So I wanted to make sure that it was original content. So the first step is the topic that you want to write on. Even if you don't know what the topic is, you can do something like brainstorm search engine optimization. So I know I want to create topic around a post around this, but I don't know what it is yet. So you type that directly into chat.openai.com, and then presto, it's going to go through this process and it's going to give you a whole bunch of different ideas. In this case, let me show you what I did in the first one. I said brainstorm search engine optimization for small businesses. The next step is I took these, they gave me 10 back, so it gave me 10 ideas, and I said elaborate. Now what this command does is it basically says, hey, I like where you're going with this, but I need more. So once this is done, I'm just going to type that in, and it's going to give me back a better, basically just a better of the first one here. So it's going to give me more information on the first post. So that's what I did with this one. Let's go back to the first one and I'll show you how that works. So here it goes. I typed in elaborate, hit enter, and there we go. It says conducting keyword research. It gave me really, really good. It gave me 9 excellent blog post ideas, and I want to now write on it. So what did I do next? I go write a 3,000 word blog post on why small businesses should conduct keyword research. Let's go back to the other one here, which is working its way through. I'm going to stop for a second, and when this is done, I'm going to show you how the next step works. All right, welcome back. So I'm just going to go through this list here. It says research and use relevant keywords. Perfect. Optimize your website structure navigation. Great. Create high quality, valuable content. Okay, let's say that is the topic that I want to write on now. So the chat GPT here, or the AI, has already been primed. It's already been thinking about this. It's already given us a short little answer on number 3. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go write a 3,000 word blog post on, and then I'm just going to go on why businesses should create high quality, valuable content. And I'm going to go in the style of Neil Patel. He's a very popular content marketer, digital marketer. So now I'm going to hit enter and watch what happens. All right, so here's what it came up with. It goes, it wrote a huge, well, not a huge, but a very long, well-written piece here. As a business owner, you know that content is a crucial part of your online presence. From your website to social media, the words in the media you publish represent your brand and influence how potential customers perceive your business. This isn't like content that goes through a spinner or content that, maybe was outsourced to somebody that's not a native English or doesn't speak whatever language you're typing this in. This is extremely well-written content. And I mean, you just go through it. You see it as, what is high-quality, valuable content? You know that if you put that into your WordPress blog, for example, you put that in the header tag, and then what comes underneath it is not header tag. Why is high-quality, valuable content important for your business? Header tag. Bang, you just copy paste this in, of course, adding your own opinion and your own research in, but you can just see how this is already set up to go. Now, it's stopped here. It goes first by attracting more organic traffic to your website through the improved search, and then it stops. What you need to do now is you got to type in continue, and then this will continue writing the blog post. It just stops around like 1,000 words. So just watch this. All right, welcome back. So I wrote in continue, and look, it just continued to write the blog post exactly how I'd probably write it. Now what you do after this is you just take the whole thing, you drop it into for example, a Microsoft Word document, or in some cases, I would drop it into like a plagiarism checker like this to make sure that I don't have, plagiarism. But I can tell you right now that the content comes out very much non-plagiarized. This is just the ideas coming from basically everything that's been written in the whole world on the internet has been considered for this. And this is how you can create hundreds and just impossible numbers of blog content, content marketing content, you name it, in minutes. Just take a look at this. It's worth your time. Thanks for watching.